Talk to y'all for a minute, man. I turned this podcast rap show to a business. Refugee been hustling for years since I got admitted. Man, I got admitted, I was broke, then I fucking did it.
What's good, people? That's the Don here with a third. I guess you could say this is the third episode of the Hustle. First, third, I don't know which one this is. It's one of them motherfuckers. I don't care. I'm not numbering this shit. But anyway, I want to just bring this topic up. In terms of owning yourself, I want to piggyback on that topic, owning yourself. Like, how can I own myself? I don't know how to own myself. How can I own myself? I don't have no money. Two things. I want to talk about two things here. One is how do you get the money to own yourself? Because you're like, bro, I'm broke. I come from nothing. My family got nothing. We're fucked up. I ain't got shit. How am I going to own myself? Easy. I'm saying it's not easy, but you can do it in a simple way. And I this is what I did. I just went and was more useful. I became more useful. Now, how did I become more useful? For me, becoming more useful was doing more work, hustling. The basic idea of hustling, working hard, that was the basic premise to help me get out of my situation. Working hard. I didn't work more extravagant or go learn fucking real estate I did learn real estate to a certain degree. I did. But I didn't have to go pick up a PhD and get a college degree. All I had to do was get behind the fucking wheel and go work. And go deliver food for 60. I was doing 40, 30 hours a week before that. I ramped that up to 60 hours, bro. I was like, I'm just going to fucking be more useful. The more food I deliver, the more useful I am. The more people I can help. And the more I get paid. So that's what I did. So if you're in that situation, bro, and you need to make more money and you don't have money to fucking, just go be useful. Go be useful. If you work at McDonald's, bro, pick up the night shift. Let's say no one wants to pick up the goddamn night shift. Pick up the goddamn night shift, bro. Pick up the goddamn night shift. You know people don't want to work that shit. So go work that shit. If they're offering extra hours, go do that shit. Go do what other people are not willing to do. Go do some shit that people are not willing to do that people are willing to pay for. Go be useful. If you need to pick up a second job, go pick up a second job. You know what I'm saying? Go be useful. Get that money and go earn that money however you got to do it. And hopefully it's in a way that's ethical that you can sleep with at the end of the night. You know what I'm saying? Go be useful. Go help some people. Go be useful and go make some money. And take that money that you have and own yourself. Reinvest it back in yourself. So that's that point. Second point I want to make is how do you own yourself? I'm going to make that for a separate topic. We're going to leave that for the next one.